Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring your laptop is plugged in and online. Updates can stall on low battery or spotty Wi-Fi. Once ready, close heavy apps so the update can install smoothly. Open Chrome now from your taskbar or Start menu. This begins the update check sequence. You don't need to do anything fancy, just have Chrome running. That triggers Chrome to compare your version to Google's current release and prepare the installer if an update exists. You'll go straight to the menu. 3 dots help about Google Chrome. Once there, Chrome immediately checks for an update and begins downloading if needed. This is automatic so you can watch progress. Make sure to save any work because when the download finishes, Chrome will prompt you to relaunch. Click Relaunch to let the browser apply files and restart. This step finalizes the update and retains your open tabs. If no update is available, the About page confirms you're up to date. After relaunch, return to About to confirm the version matches the latest release. That verifies success. If the update failed or Chrome shows an error, restart your laptop and try About again because many problems clear after a reboot. If issues persist, temporarily check firewall or antivirus settings that might block downloads, or download and run the Chrome installer from another machine to reinstall. One key troubleshooting tip: always retry after a reboot before deeper fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.